Looking for content that makes complex ideas in AI, crypto, finance, and business simple, persuasive, and profitable? I'm your man. If you are looking for a ghostwriter who understands both traditional finance and crypto investing, I might be one of the few here who can deliver exactly what you need because I worked 8 years at Vietcombank and have invested in crypto since 2017. I will show you. Registered on December 2017. Okay, so this is my very old account on Binance. This is my portfolio. Here you can see in 1 year 241.44%. Despite the fact that the market is down for the last 7 days or last 30 days. So my name is Tu Michael. I specialize in ghostwriting and copywriting for AI, crypto, and finance and business brands. I have my post on Binance Square reach 1.2 million views. I'm the real deal. I write for myself too. And unlike generic writers, I combine financial expertise, real-world crypto experience, and persuasive writing skills. Many writers can craft words, but they lack industry insight. On the other hand, I bring both insider knowledge and proven copywriting techniques. When you are writing finance or crypto content, only three things matter: clarity, credibility, conversion, and without all of this, even the smartest idea won't land with your audience. I know this because I live it. From managing client portfolios at Vietcombank to building my own business as a solopreneur, I use a research-driven story framework to turn abstract financial or technical concepts into narratives people understand and trust. Again, that's why my article on Binance reached 1.2 million views, and another article reached 200.7 thousand views. Do you want the same result? Moreover, I am also specialized in YouTube optimization. So as you can see here, I have a video that has 11.7 million views, and it brings me 14.8 thousand subscribers. That's why when you work with me, I will guide you through my 3-step process: deep dive discovery, content strategy mapping, persuasive writing, and delivery. But there's a catch. I only work with clients who are serious about growing their brand and value clarity, collaboration, and deadlines. So do I. Even then, I'm often busy with projects both on and off Upwork. So if you see my profile available, it's the right time to connect. So are you ready to elevate your brand with high impact content? Let's talk today.